Hello, LWEX traders trying to withdraw your funds from this site. In 2025, getting your money out can be tricky with reported issues, but we'll guide you through 3 key steps to try cashing out safely. Firstly, of course, log in into your LWEX account at the official website where I am now. Go to the Wallet or Account section and select Withdraw. Choose your bank account or crypto wallet and enter the amount. Submit the request. Some users report success with small withdrawals, like for example $500 in 30 minutes to Coinbase, but larger amounts may face delays. Also, LWEX may require identity verification before processing. Check your email or account dashboard for prompts to upload a valid ID or proof of address. Ensure your bank details match your registered name to avoid rejections. If you see a 20% fee notice or a double your funds rule, it's a red flag. Do not deposit more money. If your withdrawal is pending for over 24 hours or denied, contact their support. And that's it. Request, verify, and act fast to withdraw from this site. Got more tips or issues? Share them below. Like and subscribe for more crypto hacks. Catch you next time.